Those are brand new.
Strong, but
Gentlemen, what's going on here?
Changing these. There's no
try
rubber
to
in there.
try not to unknot it.
Because there's a rubber, there's a trundle in there.
There's no rubber in here.
Because see how sloppy they is? Let's get them out. We want to clean everything first.
Oh, we can't even do
Oh,
it.
we're not. Are we reusing this or?
No, but we're going to keep the hardware.
Keep the-
Because you never know when you might need the hardware.
We have hardware.
I know, but Peter, you always keep nuts and bolts.
Oh, now you're telling me.
You know why? You know why? Because one day you're going to need it.
Yeah, you want to search for it.
Still doing that?
Yep, we got to get all those apart. Look at that mess.
With your hands.
I can't wait for that to be in a rust encapsulator.
Maybe we should put it in the vise.
Well, they're a little busy with the vice right now.
Try another one. Maybe you should put some stuff on it. Some spray stuff on it.
Yes. Go get the PB. It should be in, it's on the cart right there.
No one is-
All right.